I'm so happy to present to you my original piece called Awe and Wonder. It's such a fun one to play, and wait around till the end of the video. I'm going to play through the whole song, but in the meantime I'm going to talk to you about how you can learn it for yourself. So I wrote this piece when I was just thinking about how amazing God is and all the creation that He's made, and how big and beautiful it all is, but how awesome it is that He still cares about the details of my life. I just think that's so beautiful. So that's what I really hope this piece gets across. Now, the skills that you need to play this piece are you need to be able to play with fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4, hands together, complex overlapping brackets, and also crossing hand over hand. So it's a late beginner piece, possibly even early intermediate. So it shouldn't be the first thing you learn, and you should learn it alongside a method book so you have all those skills already. And for the type of harp you can play it on, it does fit on a harpsichord, but not all lap harps. So you need to be able to have this C an octave below middle C, and then 1, 2, 3 and a bit octaves up. The top note is an E. If you want to learn this piece, the sheet music is available and you can download that. There's a link in the description box and up in the cards, but there's also a video lesson available for this, and this is a wonderful, very time-effective way to learn, and I think it's really good value for money. So I take you step by step through learning the song, how to practice it effectively, taking it in small sections and guiding you through, holding your hand and encouraging you along the way. So there's a testimony now on the screen from Linda Friedel, who's used these video lessons before, and she found it so useful to have both the sheet music and the video lessons so that I can guide her through it, and it's really inspiring for her. She can go over it as many times as needed. So don't be overwhelmed when it comes to the technology side of things. It's just like watching a YouTube video, and we give you a sheet to help you guide through what I'm going to teach at each point in the video, so you can go back over sections as many times as you need to. So if this sounds good to you and you'd like to try the video lesson, there's a link up in the cards and down in the description box. And now I'm going to play through the whole piece for you to inspire you, and hopefully you'll want to learn it too. So what do you think? Did you like it? I really hope you did, because I kind of put my heart into this one. And if you'd like to learn it, then go ahead and go and get the video lesson. I think that's the easiest way to learn it. So there's a link on the screen right now. You can click there to download, and I'll see you in that video. Have fun with it. Bye.